headed to Amicalola Falls State Park. Trying to get there before any crowds do and try to beat out the weather today because it's supposed to rain later this afternoon. So we want to get in, get out, see how this goes. So we're going up 729 feet to the top of the waterfall. We already made it to the halfway point. To the top. We went up 425 stairs from the waterfall, not including however many it was from the waterfall down, which I think was like 100 and something. So we did about 600 something stairs plus some steep hills. Wait till y'all check this view on the top of this waterfall. Look at that. Tallest waterfall on the east side of the Mississippi River. Tell me what y'all think about this waterfall and comment below. So let me know if you have some suggestions of somewhere else we can go in Georgia. Like I said, we're looking for waterfalls, looking for other hiking adventures too. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe.